Welcome everyone. Ed here with Michelle at the Great Indoors, and today we are in Voinovich Park in Cleveland, Ohio, and we are here with a purpose. We are here to check out the NFL Draft Station, which is straight ahead over there. We got a little bit of walking ahead of us. Are you excited, Michelle?
I am so pumped.
This is so great for the city of Cleveland. We got the Browns. They're finally a playoff team. We got the 26th pick in the draft, and we don't even need it to make the team a good team. Are you excited? Let's get this show on the road, man.
Touchdown!
You gotta love this place. It is such a multi-purpose area, entertainment venue. Right over here is where you could pick up the Good Time 3. Michelle has a video in our backlogs. I'll put a link in that in the description for that. That was a good time. And then there's a Mexican restaurant over here. It's just a developing place. Excellent place to go any time of the day, any time of the year.
Hey everyone, it's Michelle, the other half of the Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle. Today, we are going to be hanging out in downtown Cleveland on April 25th, 2021. And we love football in our family. And we love our Cleveland Browns. Woof woof, everyone. And that's where the Cleveland Browns play. And I just wanted to take a peek at the Cleveland Browns Stadium. First Energy. It's a little early, but this week is very important to all of us today because it is the draft week. 26th pick for the Cleveland Browns, and I am so excited. I've been a diehard Browns fan since the 80s, and my wonderful husband, Ed, bought me season tickets the very first year the Browns came back in '99. The Tim Couch era, the Derek Anderson era, and a slew of other people that made Cleveland Browns history. So I wanted to celebrate this and tell you that I am so pumped that my husband is taking me down here again on a Sunday afternoon. It may be gloomy, but I'm not gloomy at all, and neither is Ed, because we love our Cleveland Browns, and we are very proud to look forward to them in the beginning of September, and we are so excited. And Channel 5 is a proud sponsor of the weather team down here at Cleveland Browns First Energy Stadium. But I just wanted to show you. There's a Cleveland boat over there, the Mather. We never took a tour of it, but someday we will try it when it's a little bit warmer. Feels like 40 degrees down here.
You want ready to get going to the NFL experience?
Absolutely.
All right, sorry to cut you off. Let's go. Okay, here we are outside of the Rock Hall, and they are promoting the NFL Draft 2021. Because what I have learned here is that they are not allowing Cleveland fans into the building to watch the draft. It's all by invitation only, which is sad. But I believe the Rock Hall has stepped up to allow people to come here and watch the draft here. Okay. So I think that's pretty cool that they're going to have a nice facility here to make it more fan friendly, you know?
Absolutely.
The Rock Hall, man, they have definitely hit a home run on this one. Oh, sorry. All right, let's keep it going to the next stage that we're checking out. Look at that beautiful shot of downtown Cleveland. Isn't that awesome? Okay, I did a little bit more research. They are going to be doing a Super Bowl halftime tribute for 55 years of rock and roll and football. Right here, I guess it's going to be part of the draft, a halftime tribute show featuring rock legends, or at least rock legends of the past. Isn't that pretty cool?
Absolutely.
I'm already looking forward to seeing that alone. I don't care so much. The draft is nice, but this is going to be awesome. All right.
You guys are allowed to walk through the barrier east-west all the way down to the west 3rd. If you're looking for the giant helmets, they are not down here. The giant helmets, if you look between the trees here and look up there, you see the green railing. You just see the helmets up top to the top. It's up there called Mall C, right across from the convention center in the hill. You're more than welcome to go through east-west all the way down. Once you get to the Fireman's Memorial, you cannot go right down by the stage or behind the stadium. If you want to take some pictures, you're more than welcome to stand on the blacktop. You can't go on the pad or the grass because they will be starting to build.
Okay.
If you want to go up to the...
Got the rules.
You can go straight all the way to West 3rd.
Okay, we are limited as to how close we can get. It's good to know. Okay, that's where the draft is going to be. This is about as close as a zoom I can get from here. I'm going to try to walk down there as close as we can without getting arrested. We will see. And there's the back side of the Rock Hall over there. All right, you got all what that guy was saying over there, Michelle?
Yes, you just could walk up to the fireman thing, and then you got to go find another parking spot up the way by the convention center.
We're going to just go with what we can get from this, okay? Because I already paid enough for parking, so yeah. Are you ready for an exploration? All right, let's go see what we can see. We are right outside the Science Center over here, and they got like a check-in place for people that are coming to the draft. They come in here and they get situated in here. I think they have their security check and different things like that, the COVID test possibly, I don't know, to make sure you got a good, no temperature. You go in through here before you get into the main building, I guess. And there is the Cleveland Browns Stadium. If you're going to a Browns game, like me and Michelle did for many years, this would be the walk we would walk coming from the Muni lot to the entrance over here. We would get in actually we had to go around to the other side because our seats were over on the other way. And yeah, I know, you say, why didn't you park on that side of the building? Well, I'm a cheap person. I always try to find the cheaper parking rates. And the cheaper parking rates were always in the Muni lot. Hey, this is pretty cool. Something to do with the firefighters memorial. Cleveland firefighters, in memory of the brave Cleveland firefighters who gave their lives in the performance of their duties. Pretty awesome. Okay, according to the security personnel over here, this is as close as we could get to the stage. And it is a security, I'm actually breaking the rule right now because I'm beyond this gate over here. But that is where all the activity is going to be. I wish I had a drone, where I have a drone, but it's not powerful enough to fly over there.
Okay, I will There's nothing down there that you want to see.
Another question, is there a drone, if I had a drone that could fly over there, would that be allowed?
I don't think so.
Isn't that better than the puppet thing?
Yes,
you know,
it is.
some guy tried to talk his way in to that area by talking with a puppet or something. Yeah, I have a drone, but it's one of those that the wind can't deal. It can't deal with the wind, and the wind off the lake would take it away. So, all right, thank you very much for your help.
She was the best one.
I don't know if you could see that, but they're doing something with the Miami Dolphins on that big screen that's way, I have it zoomed in as far as I can right now. I think it's going to be awesome, you guys. I am really excited about, I'm going to make sure that I have my entire evenings cleared on Thursday to watch the draft. These guys are probably wondering, what the hell is this guy doing with the camera over here? I think this is great for the city of Cleveland that they are having the draft here after last year's debacle with the COVID. They had to do the draft remotely, and I'm glad to see that things are starting to get closer to being back to normal. And it's great for the city of Cleveland. It's great for the Cleveland Browns, and I think that they're going to make us proud. The city of Cleveland is going to make us proud. So I'll be watching. I hope you guys will be watching too. And if you did enjoy this video, by all means, hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to The Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle, what better time than right now? Go Cleveland, go Browns. You guys stay safe. And always, always, always have a great indoors day. Bye-bye.